Hi, this is Sarah and Birkin, and we're the creators of Recallify. So we wanted to just talk you through how to use the app. Now, this is what it looks like when you first open it. We just wanted to highlight that you can click here and restart the tutorial if you need to at any point, because the tutorial will start the first time, but you can always restart it to look back in the future. So let's do it. So this is just talking you through the different functions of Recallify. So Recallify helps you capture conversations, voice notes, and you can also upload text or media. You can ask questions about what memories you've already recorded or uploaded, and you can also train your memory. So the record button is the big one that you're mainly going to use, and this enables you to record conversations or voice notes, and then it will transcribe it in the background for you. You can ask questions about your memories, and we'll show you an example of doing that. And you can also import anything you want into here, PDF, texts, videos, or audio that you want to remember in the future as well. So just showing you around the app, we've got this home screen, and this is really the screen that helps you prompt to use the app in different ways. We'll have a look at it in a minute. The timeline is where all of your memories and the dates of them will be saved once we get going and start using it. So this will be a big important tab for you to look at. And you can review and edit your past memories in here. And then your journey is, which shows your kind of usage and plan that you have for the app. And it also shows you kind of how much you're using it and how you're doing if you're using any of the learning aspects of the app that we've put in. And finally, the quick search up here, just you can type in here anything that you want to search through the app and it will try and retrieve from memories what you're looking for. Okay, so let's get going and show you some examples. So for example, I've just talked to a friend and we've got a plan to go shopping. So I want to make a recording to help me remember this in the future. So I'd press this button. I'm going to go shopping to Bromley tomorrow. I need to leave around 10:30 a.m. And then we're going to get the 10:45 train from Crofton Park Station. Jane says we're going to have lunch there and come back in the afternoon sometime. So you can see now the app in the background is going to transcribe what I've said. And it records it here so I could listen back to it in the future if I wanted to. Now, looking up here, you can see if we press summary, a really short summary of what's happening tomorrow. So I can look back it through and just look at the summary if that's more useful for me. Okay, so here in my timeline, we have my shopping trip that I'm doing tomorrow. So for example, if later today I want to ask a question about what I've recorded, I can press this ask button. What time am I taking the train to Bromley tomorrow? And you can see here, even though I made a bit of a mistake, it's managed to search through and find the answer and tell me. And it's also telling me the memory that it's coming from. So if I want to look back at more details, I can actually just click on that. And here it is, my memory from my timeline. So those are the main basic functionalities of our app, but there are a few more bells and whistles I'll just show you. So if we go back, finally, I want to show you about how to import. So I'd press import. And for example, I might have been sent a long neuropsychology assessment that I want the app to help me remember and maybe also summarize. So I'd press text. And then here it is. And this is an example. It's not a real patient. And then I would submit it here. So now the app is going to download and transcribe that long PDF neuropsychology report that I've had sent to me. So let's wait for it to do it. So here it is. and I can zoom in. Here's the actual report that I've put in. But most helpfully for long reports, the app has actually summarized it here for me. So I can look through. And if I need to learn it in the future, if it's something I need to learn, I can actually generate questions about it. And the app will create multiple choice questions so I can help train my memory. This might be particularly helpful for people who are trying to remember things in lessons, lectures, meetings, things like that. And then you can see here it's made a number of multiple choice questions. I can just click into each one and take the full quiz. And so then the last thing, just to show you, is if, for example, I wanted to export my summary of this neuropsychology assessment, I would press this export button and then I could email myself the text of that summary. So I can use it, for example, if I need to write an email or do anything with it. So that's pretty much how the app works. And hopefully this video can help you use it a little bit better.